4 brand new books released this month. Learn about each in this video. See how to protect SAP BTP with the Security and Authorizations Guide. Explore the cloud security mechanisms of SAP BTP. Learn how to set up users and permissions, configure secure connections between cloud and on-premise systems, and more. Whether you're working with the Neo or Cloud Foundry environments, your systems will be secure and ready for use. Our latest business user guide focuses on the reporting functionalities of SAP S/4HANA. Learn how SAP Fiori enables gathering data from your system simpler and faster. Explore reporting for finance, tax, sales, management, and logistics, and then see how to create custom reports using your most important KPIs. If you're thinking about utilizing Visual Studio Code for your SAP project, this hands-on guide will help you get started. Learn how VS Code works and how you can connect it to an SAP system. Explore version control with Git and build SAP UI5 web components, ABAP and SAP Fiori apps, and more. Our popular Material Ledger book gets an update with this second edition. Learn how to configure the Material Ledger in SAP S/4HANA, explore its functionality, and consider special scenarios and reporting. With this guide, master parallel valuation and make the most of SAP S/4HANA's financial capabilities. See all these new books by visiting our website at sappress.com and make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn about upcoming releases. Happy reading!